This video was designed to help you set up your FTP space in Jing. By now it is assumed that you have requested an FTP space, you have a username and a password. You'll notice that on the left-hand side of the web page, all the details you'll need to set up FTP are there. In Jing, go to the globe and click on the More button. Then go down here and click on the Preferences button. Once you get these options, one of your options is to customize Jing buttons. Click Customize Jing buttons. Click New. And this will give you an option of different things. You're creating an FTP button, so click on FTP. Now, you're going to want to give that button a name. And so I'm going to call it My FTP. Then I'm going to ask for server information. Well, if you're an employee at Valencia, I've kind of helped you with the server information. It's over here on the web page. You can type in faculty.valenciacc.edu. Now, inside of that faculty site, inside my FTP site, I created a folder that I call Feedback. And so when it asks for the directory, what they're really asking for is the folder inside of your FTP space where you're going to store everything. The port should automatically fill in for you. It's port 21. Then you need your username and your password. And then you can actually test the settings. And the settings look good. The only thing you have left to do is to set up the custom code. Now, custom code, that's what tells the computer program where to send the images after you're done. Again, this is something that I've already given you. And so what you do is you come over here and copy this and go back to your custom button setting and paste it in. Now, I'm going to have to make a little change here because you'll notice it tells it that it's going to the FTP space, which is the server name. Then it says lab. Well, lab is not the name of the file. The name of the file is my username, jmay. So on both of these, I will save this as jmay. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to go to my server spot, my FTP space. It's going to go into the folder called jmay. Then it's going to go into the folder called feedback. Remember up here, the directory called it feedback. Then it's going to put in whatever file name I give it. And so when I save it as a new name, like iceberg, or whatever I choose, it will save. Once you've done this, you can click Save, and you are done. Now you can close this out, and when you get this window again, you click on the checkbox. Now if you want to test it, you can go up here, make yourself a capture, click, for example, video record, comes on in 3, 2, 1, and now we're testing. This is a test. Here's my video. We can watch it if we want. And now we're testing. This is a test. I can give it a name, right? I'll call it Test FTP, and I will hit go ahead and send it to my FTP. This is the other FTP, my lab FTP, but I'm going to send it to my FTP. Notice that this comes up and that it's being sent. It then says that its capture is uploaded and it's put the link on your clipboard. To test that, you can go up into the browser window and paste it. Once you've pasted it, you should be able to get immediately to our test. And there it is. And now we're testing. This is a test. That's it.